how's it going? This is Tim, bringing you guys Daily Deals with Tim. And today, I'm kind of excited to share this, but at the same time, the market has crashed. But before I say that, this is my opinion and not a financial advice. Also, if you guys want to invest in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, click on the Coinbase link below. If you guys purchase $100 or more, you can get $10 free Bitcoin. So today I want to talk about the market crash that has happened in beginning of September 2017 and what caused it, or potential causes that led to this crash. So if you guys can see here, Bitcoin went down 6.9% today, Ethereum went down 16.06%, Bitcoin Cash almost 15%, Ripple 12%, Litecoin 17%, and all around it's just red. And this would be a bad news in general, but for some reason, it's actually an opportunity for me, because once everything goes down, that's a good buying point for a lot of people. However, for people just investing in right now, this might set off an alarm in their head, and they might be worried that cryptocurrency is gonna go away tomorrow and everything's gonna burn and just get destroyed. But I assure you, that's not going to happen. I'm pretty sure that cryptocurrency is a stable market that goes through ups and downs, but probably in a couple of days or by next week, I'm sure cryptocurrency is going back up gradually. However, there are some coins that are going up. Tether is a coin that very similar to US dollar, and I think when everything goes down, Tether goes up, and then when everything goes up, this goes down. So it's kind of not surprised by that. But yeah, most of these guys are going down, and yeah, that's so. One reason why the market has crashed is because of the news on China. I'm sure if you guys tuned into other YouTubers and cryptocurrency newses, so the Chinese government decides to ban ICOs in China. So it says, if you look at this article, China's ICO ban sends Ethereum price plunging and many others plunging as well. Especially NEO, because NEO is a Chinese cryptocurrency. It's not an ICO, so it will be, it's not directly affected, but it is a platform for ICOs to build on. So that's why, because that part is going to be not be able to be completed because of the government ban on ICOs, a lot of people have been selling it. So altcoin markets bleed. So as you can see, the news of ICO ban devastated the altcoin market, and everything is retreating right now, as you can see in the red. Even Litecoin is going down a bit. However, if you guys zoom out and see the big picture, the Litecoin and all the other coins are actually on a uptrend, and it's gone a little bit down today and yesterday, but it's like most of the coins, they go up and down, and this is a pretty good trend, because something cannot be going up all the time. If something is going up all the time, there's got to be a point where it's going to drop very sharply. However, for Litecoin and a couple of the other coins that I look into, it goes up for a while and then it drops, like today or yesterday, and then goes up for a while again and drops a bit. And just the constant cycle, it's a good cycle, because that happens in the stock market as well, and that's it's a normal cycle that you should be aware of. So if there is a drop like this, don't go crazy and like, oh my gosh, I have to sell this before this coin disappears. If you guys are invested into coins that you trust in, and most likely like the top 10 at least, you guys shouldn't worry too much. I mean, there is a place where you could profit from this kind of crash, where you can sell high and buy low, but that has got to do with your timing and your experience in the market, and that's going to be discussed way later. But if you guys are kind of new to this and you're worried about the market crash, I suggest you just hold on to your coins right now, because it's going to go back up. And even if you're to sell them, you shouldn't sell them right now where it's all dropping. You should at least sell them where the price you bought it at, or when it goes above your price, so that you can make that profit. So yeah, so because of the ICO ban, a lot of the coins are dropping, and it just shows you how much news has on the cryptocurrency market. So once there's a global news that spreads all around, some people start selling out. So I think it started off with NEO, because as you can see, NEO is down 34%. Man, if I had waited for this to buy right here, this should be so good. But I did buy a little higher than that, so that's unfortunate. But as you can see here, the 7-day, it started from around $38 in August 28th, and it jumped down a bit. So this is when the downtrend is happening here. So there is, I think the news was around this August 29th, around there, where there was a rumor going on the Chinese government is going to ban ICOs. So there was a bit of a drop, a continuing downtrend here, going slower and slower, and people bought in at 30 because they thought that was a good time to buy. It could have been, but right here, the real news hit, where there was actual news about Chinese government banning ICOs, and there's a big drop, and goes on and on and on. So this news is not going to be, I don't think it's going to be that important in the next couple of days, but there could be other kind of news that enable this kind of fall. So this market crash might be prolonged for a couple days more, but I'm sure after the couple days, or at least by next week, the crypto market is going to be stabilizing, going up again. However, if you guys are very worried about this crash, I suggest you don't just not look at the price and just wait it out, because most of the times, once the price goes down, there's a point where it goes back up again. So cryptocurrency market is kind of like that. It's sometimes you keep on going up and up and up, and you're really hopeful, but sometimes it goes down a bit more. Not more, but it goes down a bit. And if you guys are worried, just look at the global cryptocurrency market right here. So if you guys can see, it started off really low, and it goes up and down, and then it went really high up from June till September, and then it went down a bit again today. So yeah, the market itself is doing actually really well. So as you can see, it started from here and going back up and down. But in generally speaking, it's going up in an uptrend. There might be a little drops like this, but it's gonna go back up, and the cycle continues, and the pattern is repeated. So don't be too worried about this crash. But on the upcoming videos, I'll be talking about what coins I'm going to be interested in during this crash, and see what potential I have for various discounted coins. So thank you guys for watching today, and if you guys want to invest into cryptocurrency, especially Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Litecoin, hit that Coinbase link below, and if you guys purchase $100 or more, you could get $10 free Bitcoin. And thank you guys for all the support, and I'll see you guys next time. Oh wait, also, if you guys like these kind of contents, hit that like button, comment, and hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell for me, please. Sorry for that, but I'll see you guys next time.